Recording.
Hey, good morning. I am going to show you something today that you may love. If you hate all my videos, this might be the only video you actually like. If you're familiar with Tellico Plains, I just come off 68. I'm sure you've been on 68 and you enjoyed it. But you're in Tellico Plains, we're on the Skyway right now, and you want to go slay the dragon, but you don't want to go back over the Skyway. You want to take 360 ball play. So let's take 360 ball play. So we're pretty much through Tellico Plains. I mean, that's it right there. If you've never been here, that's it. That museum back there on the left, I highly suggest you stop and check out that museum. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool in big city standards, and you have to remember that we're in Tellico Plains, Tennessee. So this is 360 ball play. So we're going to take us a left here. Typically, I'd tell you, just follow the signs that say 360, north 360. I know even roads are supposed to run east and west, but you got to remember that this is Tennessee, and they do life a little bit different in Tennessee. Yeah. So 360, if you look at a map, it's also known as ball play. And I am going to warn you, Monroe County Sheriff's Department does patrol this road. The cars have radar, the motorcycles have laser. So you've been forewarned. With that being said, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is usually your best day to get a traffic award. This is a Monday morning. I doubt we're going to see much traffic, and I'm pretty sure we're not going to see another bike. If we see another motorcycle, yeah, because you guys don't ride on Monday mornings. I don't get it. So off to the right is where the foothills of the Cherhala start. But we're going to completely go around the Cherhala. We're going to go to Vonore, Tennessee. And once I get around this curve here, you are going to thank me. So if you're like your buddies who've already clicked off this video because it got too boring, I'm going to show you something. So see this road on the left? We're going to take this road on the left. If you can see down the road at that church is where the police sit with their laser gun. So we're taking this left. Look at this brand new pavement. I can't remember what the name of this road is. It's like Revolution something. It's like the arcade game, Revolution X, or I don't know. I don't care. Just take the road on the left when you come around that turn. Now this road was just paved like a month or two ago, so be careful. It's not striped, and it is kind of twitchy when you come over some of these hills. You get to the rise, and I mean this rise, the road's completely gone and it goes left. So don't come racing through here until you actually know the road. But the farmers that live out here, they got to be loving this new pavement. I don't know what they did to get fresh pavement out here. I mean, 360 has been needing pavement for, what, 20 years? They put that composite junk down about 15 years ago, and it just made 360 worse. But this road out in the middle of nowhere gets brand new pavement. So I don't get it. It's your Tennessee tax dollars at work. I'm sure they got some federal farm grant. But everything about this road out here is better than 360. The pavement's great, smooth. There's no ruts in the road for your tires to track on. And you're just going to ride this road until you get to the stop sign. And if you got a GPS or Waze or something and you plug this road in, good luck. I hope it works for you. When I ride, I don't use any technology. So I just guess which direction I'm going. And we were sitting around, actually at the Hardee's last week. Might have been Labor Day. We met up at the Hardee's and we were sitting there, and I said, you know, all these roads got new pavement. We need to check them out. And we jumped on this one, and what you see is what we got. If you're on a Gold Wing, this road is perfect for riding a Gold Wing. And I'm not flying through here. I got a good pace. Not really racing through, because it's pretty, and I do not know this road. This is only the second time I've been on this road. But I'm here to tell you, I'm going to wear out this road. I am no longer taking 360 until they pave it. That thing is so potholed up. So we come up here to this stop sign. So last week we took a left. And when we took a left, it dumped us out past Ball Play. It did dump us out on the road that connects to 360. If you look on the map, it's called Belltown. So the road is amazing if you take a left. But when you come to the next stop sign after taking a left, you're going to want to turn right and double back about 2 miles if you're headed to Vonore. If you're headed to Madisonville, just take a left and it'll drop you off at the red light in Madisonville. Today, I'm going to go straight across. And I'm telling you, all of these roads are paved now. Even some of the little side streets that I'm imagining used to be dirt have asphalt. And yeah, I would imagine some driveways are going to be washed out. Because the people of Tennessee, they do not take care of their driveways where they meet up on a highway. They don't take care of their houses. And if you read the sign on the garbage cans, it plainly states on the garbage cans, only Tennesseans